How to fix iPhone lags. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most instant fix for this issue is restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches in your iPhone. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and go ahead and remove all the apps running in the background, as this will help your iPhone take a restart. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh again and then select the Off option you see there. This will instantly reduce the lag. Next, in Settings again, tap on Battery and you will see the option for Low Power Mode. Make sure the Low Power Mode toggle button is toggled off. Also, tap on Battery Health and Charging, and if your battery health is under 80%, then your iPhone may lag due to throttling. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then go back to Settings and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, you can go ahead and delete the apps that you do not use, as you have to make sure that your storage is not full and has minimum of 5 to 10 GB free. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go back to Settings and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Scroll down again and tap on the Safari option you see there, and further scroll down and tap on the Clear History and Website Data option you see there. Once done, see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to force restart your iPhone, as force restarting your iPhone clears deep system lag. If force restarting your iPhone does not help in fixing your issue too, then open Settings again and tap on Privacy and Security and then tap on Location Services. Here, make sure Location Services is disabled for unused apps, or you can completely disable Location Services too. Now, go back to Settings and tap on iPhone Storage and then go ahead and select the app that you are facing issue with and further offload the app. Now, go back to General and then tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter a passcode and reset your network settings, as this will fix lags caused by network bugs. Also, in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version for your iPhone to perform smoothly. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can go ahead and reinstall the app that is causing the issue. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go back to Settings and tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And the last resort is simply reset all settings. So tap on Reset and then on Reset all settings. This will fix deep system lag and will not lose any data of your iPhone. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix your iPhone lag instantly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.